And I just was really interested into, kind of creating my own content around that, and as to why, that would be, kind of helpful.
Would you do that if I didn't give you a single dollar to do it?
Yeah, I would. That's something I'm passionate about. Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. So here's my advice here. All right, so obviously consistency is key, and I'm not really sure like what your content is gonna be around. It sounds like it's about to be around animals and so on. But my advice is this. Okay, what I did initially when I wanted to start this channel was I went on YouTube and I looked up the 10 best channels, the 10 best ones. And I saw like the ones that I actually wanted to be like, okay, so the top 10 ones. And I saw, all right, so what do they do that I can do better or improve on? And by the way, a lot of the times you can go, for example, to their most popular videos and see exactly, okay, why are they so much popular here? And you can recreate those videos and make them a lot better. So if you want to be, for example, in the whole like, oh, animal sector or whatever, you want to go. And by the way, most likely people watch what they like on YouTube. So most likely you already know these channels, but you probably never thought about it this way. You want to go and check, like write down the top 10 and see exactly what they do, right? How many subs they have,
right?
And look over all their videos, and all those videos right there are basically potential videos for yourself. Now, there is one thing I want to tell you. What you don't want to be on YouTube is a copycat, right? My name is Nicholas. Right. I have my own story to tell, my own way to tell it, and I have my own knowledge. And on top of that, I can go out there, read books, take courses, take classes to go ahead and improve on my knowledge. So when I tell you go to these channels, I'm not telling you copy what they do and bring it over to your channel. I'm saying, hey, go over to their channel, see what's working. Like, hey, the top video is how to do this. Well, I want to recreate this video, but I want to add more information to it. So the way I do this, basically, I don't watch the video, but I click it. And I go over to the comment section after I pause the video. Of course, I don't want to watch it. Don't want to be influenced. And I go over all the comments and see exactly, wait, what other questions did people have? And I make sure in my video, I answer all those questions. Does that make sense?
No, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah, it's basically like the scientific, I learned this in a PhD work, like on workshop. It's like the scientific method to do research. You respect what people have done in the past, but you also add more value to it. You don't try to recreate the wheel, make original content, because there's nothing original out there. All the content has been made already. What you want to do is just improve upon what's already there.
You've got to start at the bottom.